Hi and welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and I'm so happy to follow deals and save as much as I can. But there's always something in the week that we find that are freebies. And since I did my haul, I purchased some items from Walgreens and Publix, and I found some freebies there. So I'm like, let me just do a video including all the 10 freebies, but I think I included 2 extra ones from the haul that I did from CVS. Um, so what I'm gonna do is show you, I think about 12 freebies from Publix, Walgreens, and CVS. Before I get started, I want to invite you to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video if you really enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and share this video since some of these offers are easy to do and perfect for beginners, especially if you're new to couponing. I'm gonna start with Publix, and then I'm gonna go to Walgreens. I'm gonna share some from CVS from the haul that I did that were free, and some of them are a little bit money maker. So the good thing is that some of them you don't need coupons, or some are just coupons that we did get on Sunday. So let's just get started with Publix. This one I'm so excited about because to be honest with you guys, when I started couponing, the first store that I coupon was Publix, and this was one that used to make my haul completely free because they were huge money makers, and I'm so glad that we're able to see them again. So the deal is just buy the Sundown vitamins. The folic acid is a good price for $3.89, I believe. You can use a coupon from the Publix purple flyer. That's gonna deduct $5 when you buy two, and then you can use some coupons that we did receive this Sundays on this Sunday's paper, deducting $2 off one. So use two of those coupons, and in the register you're gonna get a free and $1.22 money maker. Another free offer that I was able to get, and I was surprised that there were so many in the store, but it's because the coupon is a limit of one. So what I did was I purchased one of the L'Oreal Rapid Reviver. They're on special 2 for $7, so I just purchased one for $3.50. We did get a coupon from Smart Stores June 9th, deducting $2.50 off one. And if you open the purple flyer, there is a coupon deducting off one. I used those two coupons and it went in smoothly, so I got this item free as well. So as you can see, there is a few items from Publix. This is from the purple flyer. As soon as you go into Publix, if you're new to couponing, as soon as you walk in, you're gonna see the weekly ad, but then you're also going to see in the bottom the purple flyer, which includes this type of items, and then they're going to have the green flyer, which includes the groceries. So this is an easy coupon to get from there as well. This one's for Walgreens. Just to give you a heads up, there is a freebie for Clairol Natural Instinct, but going to different Walgreens, I don't even see they carry the new one that you're getting the cash back from Ibotta. So that's why they've been bothered to share it with you guys, since I didn't see it any Walgreens carrying it, since it is a new product from them. But this one I'm going to share because it was easy to do. You could purchase two Crest. They're on special for $2.99, and I did get the Pro Health. I used two coupons that I got from the book from this Sunday from June 16. That's deduct $1, and I got back 4,000 points for getting two, which makes them free, and I actually paid with my points, which gave no problem. This one is from CVS. This one is from my haul. If you want to see my video, I'm going to provide it in the section where I share my haul from CVS and this item I was able to get. I purchased 3 of the Hydro Silk. I used 3 coupons that deducted $4 each. That came on that same Sunday's book. And I used 2 CRTs deducting $3. I was able to use 2 with no problem. So if you don't have to, just sometimes when you do a purchase, I've been on the receipt, I've been seeing more CRTs printed out, so just be on the lookout for that in case. So I used 2 CRTs, and then I got back 10 ECB at the end of my receipt, making it free and $1.03 money maker. This was a pretty good deal to do, and if you want to see more details of it, you could also watch my video where I share all the items and how it went for me in my haul on June 16, this Sunday. This is another item that I did purchase in my home. So I did purchase 2 items from Revlon, since I got this CRT. I've been getting this CRT for a few weeks now, that it deducts $6 when you purchase 20, and since you do get 4 ECB when you spend 10, and it's a limit of 6. So I did two separate items. That way I was able to reach 20 and I was able to use that CRT. So I purchased 2 items, a lip item and the concealer, which is a face item, and I used a coupon deducting $3 for the lip and $4 for the face item, which is for the concealer and that CRT. I got back 2 ECBs of $4 each, which is a total of 8, making it free, and $1.02 money maker. But that was because I was using that CRT, which helped a lot to bring down the total, and I got some new items for free. This one I also did on my haul, and this was a coupon that I got, but I didn't want it to really get expired since we're going on a trip. So what I did was I purchased the lipstick for $9.99. I used that coupon and I got back 7 ECB for spending $10, making it free, and $1.01 money maker. Just be on the lookout that in case you do have a CRT for makeup, cosmetics, that does reach $10, then you might be able to use it. So now I'm going to show you some other cosmetic deals using that CRT that I mentioned. It could be 3 off 12, sometimes there's 2 off 10, depending which CRT you did get for cosmetics. I'm going to show you some deal ideas to see which one you want to use those CRTs from, but keep in mind that everything will come out to free using those CRTs. So this one is CoverGirl Full Spectrum. Is a new line, and we've been getting cash back for a few weeks now for checkout 51. I have done this deal in previous haul. So buy 2 of the eyeliner for $7.99. Use 2 coupons from Smart Store 6 to deducting $2 each, and you could use that CRT for cosmetics. But I also noticed that in my CVS app I got a CRT for CoverGirl for the same amount, so you could use that instead, and you will pay $8.98. You get back 5 ECB, but from checkout 51 you will get back $4, making it free. But without the CRT, it will be $1.49 for these new items, and they have a nice range of colors to choose from. But this has to be the line from Full Spectrum, since that's what is required for you to get the cash back from checkout 51. But like I said, I've done this previously and I had no problem getting doing this deal. The next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetics. We are getting CRTs, a mystery coupon of $3. What you could do is buy this item. It's an eyebrow for $12.99. You could go to L'Oreal.com and you could print a coupon that is going to be for $2 for any item, and you could use that mystery coupon and any CRT for cosmetics. That way you'll pay $4.99 out of $12.99. You get back 4 ECB at the end of your receipt. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. At least in my Ibotta is giving a cashback of $1.95 for any eye makeup, making this free, and 96 cents money maker. But just make sure you scan this product, activate that offer in Ibotta to make sure you're gonna get that cash back from Ibotta, since sometimes the amounts I'm noticing are changing a little bit. But if you scan it in the store, you'll know for sure that you're gonna get that cash back for getting that item. Maybelline Cosmetics, using that same CRT, what you could do is get an eyebrow item and the eyeshadow. Right there you reach $11.98, and then you will use a coupon for Maybelline.com, deducting $3, and that CRT deducting another $3. So you will pay $5.98. You get back 6 ECB, since the deal is buy 2 get 6, making this free. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be $1.50 each. So just make sure you go to Maybelline.com. They had a few coupons before, but I believe the only one that is available now is for the eyebrow or for the eye products. So that's still a pretty high value coupon. And if you have any CRTs, take advantage of that. So this will be a free deal. But like I mentioned, these are just deal ideas, and then you'll be able to select which deal or cosmetics you will use for that CRT. This one is a different CRT. I've been seeing this CRT for a few weeks now, and I purchased this item yesterday. This is from Omni, and I noticed that the price was a little different in the store for the eyeshadow. It's usually $6.99, but yesterday it was for $7.29. So I purchased 2, and I purchased a lip product for $7.99. I did wanted to reach 15, but since I wanted to get 2 of the ECB, so that's why I wanted to pass a certain amount. I used 3 coupons, 2 for the lip no, 2 for the eyeshadow, deducting 3, and 1 coupon for the lip, deducting 2. That CRT, deducting 5 off 15, and I received another CRT that just says 3 off all May Cosmetics. That's all it says, so I used that too. I had no problem using these CRTs. So in the register, I got back 2 ECBs of 4, a total of 8, making this free, and $1.43 money maker. The last freebie I want to share with you is Gillette. I couldn't do this deal because I did not get this coupon, but if you did, from Retail Me Not $5.19, you could purchase 2 of the Gillette Mac 3 of $8.99. Use 2 of those coupons from that book, deducting $4 each, and you will get back at the end of your receipt 10 ECB for buying 2, making it free. Also, if you don't find this product of $8.99, since the prices do go up from there, and you do have a CRT for Gillette razors, maybe deducting 3, then it will still come out to be free and maybe a money maker. So just check to see which CRTs you did get for Gillette, in case you don't find this product and you do have, and you're one of those lucky ones that got that coupon. So I wanted to share with you a few freebies, all the freebies that I was able to, some of them do, and some that I was able to put together during the week. I already did the video for the best deals for June 23rd, so you could check that out, and so that way you're ready, get ready for the new deals. But in case you have missed any of these freebies, I really wanted to share them with you so you don't miss out on this week's best freebie deal. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.